Cut a piece of thread that's about 16 inches long. Then double knot the end. Thread your needle and get your label. I'm inserting the needle through the back of the label so that the knot is hidden inside of the label. Then I fold it together and I want to make several stitches on the side of the tag so it stays closed. After about 3 side stitches, I make a running stitch across the tag to get to the other side. When I get to the other side of the tag, I make 3 side stitches. Now you're ready to attach your tag to an amigurumi doll. So grab your doll and position the tag where you'd like it to go. Insert your needle under a stitch on the doll. Now insert your needle through the tag, both the front and the back side. Repeat this several times until your tag is secure. When your tag is secure, insert your needle into the doll and bring it up at the other side of the tag. We're now going to be attaching the remaining side to the doll. Insert your needle through the tag. And then insert the needle through the doll's body. Repeat this several times as you did with the other side. When your tag is fully secure, insert your needle through the thread on the back of the tag, making a small loop. Then bring your threaded needle through the loop 2 times to make a double knot and pull tight. After you've made a knot, insert your needle into the same spot as the knot and bring it out on another area of the doll. Pull tightly to pull the knot inside of the body. Then cut your thread very close to the doll's body without cutting the doll. And that's it. You've attached a tiny tag to your amigurumi doll for a professional and polished finished product.